birthday to you.
Alright, loyal followers, here's my prank.
Tapos may nagre-reklamo pa? This is not right. Why, Jackie, why not? What the heck? Teka, hindi ko marinig! Stop talking!
Hello, followers, and welcome back to my channel. Consider that these holidays where all you need in my vlogs are your eyes and your ears. Oh my gosh! It's an end of the year vlog again. My end of the year vlogs is always, I feel like this is always going to be my mom's birthday. I feel like she would want to throw a party every year now, so we'll do that. She wants it to be documented. Yes, it will be documented. So for this vlog, it's for my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. And for today, we are throwing a party. Not here at home, though. I'm still here at home getting ready. But we're going to my brother's house. I don't know if it's a surprise party. I didn't help with any of the preparation because yesterday I was at a party as well. So wow, I'm so busy. Like I can't. The only thing I'm going to do for this party is getting ice. I'm vlogging. And then I have a prank for my mom later. So you guys need to watch out for that prank because will it be a success? I think it will be a success. I'll see you guys at the party.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
Happy birthday!
Do I look good? Do I look good? Do I look good? Come on,
Tanong mo.
do I look good?
Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight. Just how we want it, we want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
59 tas birthday niya bukas. So 60.
61 ka na bukas.
I have 2 cakes, the red and the white.
Wait, does that work? Oh my gosh!
I'll send it to you.
Ay, dapat yung magandang angle ako, ha, please. Not that, I'm not that fat. Making sure it's like on the top. Where's my husband?
You getting fish tacos?
It's still going. Still eating.
Hoy, kakanta na!
Still hungry?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear soul. Happy birthday to you. So last year I have my 15. I got my speeches. The same people, right? See? The same.
Tita Marlene, I wasn't there.
No, everybody's we didn't know. No. And thank you so much. I'm 60. Oh my God, 6 decades. And thank you to my kids. This time I didn't force them. What? Last year I forced them to have a party because I thought I'm not gonna get on 60. Now I'm 60. So, so thank you so much. And yeah, it's always a family thing. That's my wish. Be together, like all of us. We've been through a lot through thick and thin, and then I had to remind we've been through a lot through thick and thin. Yeah. My family, everybody here are just family. My batchmates came from Las Vegas. I feel so special.
Mom, everyone here brought you presents. Would you like to open them one by one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take away the cake and you can open your present here, okay?
Yay! Oh, there's like a Macy's card. This is my favorite.
Open it.
Gift card.
There's a gift card. This is coming from, I know, for Baby Rowan, right? Oh, this is coming from, ito yung sinasabi ni, hindi daw, careful, underwear yan.
Lingerie. It's lingerie. Wow!
Thank you sa inyo. Dahil ito ang gusto ko yung nagbubukas ng regalo. Kanina ito galing. Dito Edwin next 12. Ay, gusto ko to. Mahilig ako sa ganito. Thank you. Sol.
Ayan.
Ito, siguradong.
Money?
Birthday girl. Wow, dami.
Wow!
Galing. Galing kay Tito Boyet and Nene.
Thank you.
Thank you for making.
I got it, guys.
Akin na hoy! Amazon.
I'll take that too.
RJ, Chini, AJ, and Z.
Are they still here?
Oh, they left already.
Thank you. Akin to ha. Ito galing to sa aking mga sisters. Galing kay Ate Janet. Right? Starbucks, my favorite. Galing kay my love.
Wow!
Wow!
Ano natin ko anong bigay? Mayabang. Oh, ha?
Wow!
This one is,
Wow.
gold kasi ang mahal daw ngayon, kaya binigyan niya akong gold. Pwede ka na isang lang. Cannot open it, Sophia. I think so.
Just ruin it.
Yes, sayang ang wrapper.
There we go. Oh, gusto din niya yan. Wow! Wow! Baka naman.
Galing to sa asawa ko. Kasi, one of my bucket list is the ramen.
Oh, she's crying.
Kaya, tingnan ko muna kung ano yung gusto ko. Gusto na R, baka B.
Mali yung oras.
Mali ang oras.
Iyak-iyak ko siya nung kumakain.
Tama.
Nakakatabi na ba?
Kanina ayaw katabi. Wow!
Wow, shit.
Shit!
My whole retirement pay.
Okay, what's this?
The three kids.
The three kids.
Oh, a picture of each of them.
Bakit kayo lang?
I told you that's what she's gonna say. I told you that's what she's gonna say. We don't want you in it.
Ano, retake.
Oh my God. Yan ang tatlo kong anak ko. Ba't ako nabuhay dito sa Amerika? Wow. Bakit pala ako? This is not right.
See?
This is not right, but I should think.
I told you guys.
Hindi na ang papayag ko kayo pala.
Maganda nga yun.
Sila nga ulit. Ba't dapat ako may photoshoot eh? Oh my God.
Sila na ulit. O yan, ha?
Saan to? Bakit hindi ako
We didn't want you to be in it.
Thank you, children.
Put it in your house.
Yeah.
We will.
This is nice. Why, Jackie, why not?
Aaron, he was there.
I was there for
Oh, he took it.
The heck?
Yeah, I took
And look, they gave us. This is my Where? How about us?
For our
Yay!
Oh my God. That's the best. Yeah. I should have a,
Yeah.
I should have a photo shoot like this.
Thank you, children.
Oh, this is nice. Bakit kayo lang? Hindi ako kasama.
Yeah.
Salamat ka naman.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord.
I told you guys.
Everybody take pictures.
Take pictures if you want. Alright, loyal followers, here's my prank. She does not know half of these people, so let's see what her reaction is. Everyone here knows what's going on but her. Come watch with us.
Si ano pa yan,
Si Gina.
Tagal pa ganyan.
Yeah, Rosita.
Ah, Rosita. Sorry yung batay. Sino nga ba yun?
Si Gina. Oh.
Happy birthday, Ate Sol.
Si Raquel.
Okay.
Happy 60th birthday po, Ma'am Sol. And mabuhay po kayo.
Kilala mo yan.
No. Sino siya?
Merry Christmas po and
Si-
Happy New Year. Madam, sino yan?
I don't know.
Always.
Ah,
Bye.
oh. Ba?
Oh. Sino yan?
Sino sila?
Mga katulong mo yan, uy.
Oh.
Ano? Oh.
Oh, my son.
Ah, Raymond.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Tita Son! We have received the balikbayan box you have sent. Merry Christmas!
Oh.
Sino yan?
Family ka pala to na.
Oh, yan. Loko naman.
Happy birthday, Marso. Sumba na tayo. Hi, Tita Sol.
Sa ano kina Ate Oya. Yeah. Pinadalan ko silang balikbayan box, 2 boxes.
Tipo, Tita Sol, magpadala po kayo laruan God bless po.
Oh?
Hindi ko na sila kilala. Pero pinadalan ko sila. Hindi, pinadalan ko kasi yung ano. Oh my.
Many.
Oh, si Mr. Sarate. May,
Sarate?
yeah.
Sino nag-collect
Hindi, sila din. Teacher ko ng second year high school.
Bye-bye!
Aww.
Sir Sarate.
Ito kapatid ko siya. Si Ate Lilia. Mga apo ko niya. Ate Lilia. Kapatid ko sa mom's side.
We miss you!
Oh my God.
Hello, Ate Sol. Happy
Oh, yan.
Sana mag-chimula.
I don't know. Hindi kasi madami akong pinadala sa Pilipinas. Eh kasi sabi ko i-share nila.
Si Shirley yan.
Yeah, I said,
Natuwa na kami sa Sophia eh.
ano sinasabi?
Ganda ng ngipin, no?
Yeah, I said, ha?
Gusto na
Teka, hindi ko marinig.
sumasaludo pa pala sa'yo.
I know.
Mga taga-Napocor siguro.
Yeah.
More happiness.
Next mo nung araw. Kilala ka pa nga.
I know. Eto.
Ano mo kalipas?
Si ano? Anak, kapatid ni Deo. Saka yung mga taga Cavite.
Taga Cavite.
Kasi taga Cavite. Yan, si Raquel.
Ito ba sila ka?
Yeah. Kasi nagpapadala ako sa kanila.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Sol.
Serious
Wishing you
na
good health, happiness, and many more good
I don't know who is there. Ang dami may kilala sa akin. Hindi ko sila kilala. Oh my God. Yeah.
Heavy! Ayan, si Sir Nonet. Si
Sister.
Sir Sarate.
Si Mr. Sarate. Stop talking! Ito si Mr. Sarate.
Professor.
Professor namin ng second year high school.
Happy birthday.
Pinadadalan din namin siya. Namin dalawa.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Teacher ko.
Happy 60th birthday po, Nanay Sol. May your day be truly special and filled of joy.
Taga-kalimba. Taga-ano yun.
Tita Sol, musta na po ang buhay niyo sa Amerika?
Puto bombong. Sana na. Sarap yan.
Merry Christmas!
It's a prank! Since you got your greetings last year, I'm not giving that to you again this year. So, happy birthday. I love you. Hope you enjoyed your party.
Oh, yan na. Si Z.
Hindi ko talaga kilala.
Kinutsama ni Paolo.
Prank!
Ayan, kila.
Akala nyo matanda na siya. Sabi ko, hindi ko matanda.
I know, hindi ko sila kilala.
Kaya na ko pala ang tinatawanan. Sino yan?
Kung hindi sinabi sa akin ni Nicho, hindi ko din alam.
Akala ko kasi. Thank you.
Uy, magbabayoli kayo. Hindi kay mama. Kay mama. Prank success! Makakilala mo yun?
And your three kids, Michael.
Happy birthday! Bye!
Bye, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, look, we're complete now. Come on. Bye. So, like, subscribe. What? Like, share.